Alright, let's begin the day out, guys. We're about to head out to go buy some oil for the car because we have to replace the oil. We have to do this because my car is really in need of oil change. So we gotta go do it today. We got a lot of stuff to do today. Busy day. Gotta go to the bank. Got to check out how my payments are doing. How there's been a mistake with my credit card, so I need to go check that out and everything. Alright guys, we're about to do an oil change. We need our toolkit, our oil pan, our oil and oil filter, and we're gonna need also a 14mm. We're gonna need a 14mm socket and a wrench to take out the nut and bolt under the car. As you can see, that's what we're gonna need right now. Let's go under the car. Alright, let's get our oil pan in there so we can catch the oil and not make a big spill. So just keep it close by so you can have it around and not make a mess. Alright, let's start by taking out this bolt right here. Finally, it's not that easy. Since I took the car out earlier, about like 2 minutes ago, the oil's still pretty hot, so it's gonna burn. Hopefully I don't burn myself, but let's try to do this fast, easy, efficient. See, look at that. Look at all that mess. At least it's draining out. That's what you need. Want to drain it out, man. Alright, well, I'm back, guys. I just went to go change the battery because, you know, it was dying on me, so I had an extra one charged. So the next thing we need to do is take out the oil filter. Right there. That's the next step. I'm changing the oil on your car. The oil is already drained out almost all the way. Now it's time to put the oil in, which we have right here. So Max Life, you know, we're about to change the oil and do that. All right, well, one thing you don't want is to throw this in the oil pan, because that's what exactly happened. It fell inside the oil pan, which is not good, man. It's hot, you know, since I barely finished running the car, so don't do that. The next step after draining out the oil is time to tighten the bolt again, and then after that it's time to take out the filter. So we just tighten it. Don't want to tighten it too much because it can break. Just as much as you can go. That's all you need. Then it's time for the oil filter, which is right there where I already showed y'all. Again, same process. You need the oil pan under the car so you won't make a mess. There it is. Now time to remove the oil filter.
You don't need to fix the car?
Huh?
Do you need to fix the car?
No, just change the oil.
Oh, changing the oil.
Once again, you want to be careful because, you know, the car's still hot because I barely finished running it. So here it is, the oil filter. So be careful when you're taking it out because it's pretty hot. So in removing it, we already want to put the new one, you know, so you won't forget and make another spill. Once again, be careful because it's hot. So once you've done all that, after you finish taking out the oil, taking out the filter, it's time for the oil. That's where we go in. This is a V6, so you want to put 4.5 quarts of oil. Once again, go slowly and gentle while pouring the oil. Don't want to get too crazy with it. Alright, so as you can see, we left a little bit down there, half a quart, because six cylinders only need 4.5 quarts actually. So this is everything.
How long does it take?
Luis! Look, Luis. Luis, what are you doing? He wants to get in. Luis.